We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't.
If you think it's too much and your portfolio looks like this, smash the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell, because it has been a golden age of crypto, and it has been rough the last few days. But if your portfolio is down, just understand that Trump's crypto portfolio is also down 300 million in 4 weeks. Murad's meme coin portfolio is down 40 million since the beginning of 2025. SPX down 80%, Giga 90%, Retardio 94%, Popcat 93%, Mog 90%. So massive liquidations are happening across all of crypto. It's not just you, it's not just your portfolio. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe. If you like money and if you like crypto, hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified when we publish new videos. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please understand that everything I say in this video is not financial advice. These videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. And full disclosure, we do hold the cryptocurrencies that will be discussed in today's video. But what is happening here in crypto? Well, Peter Schiff said, now there's another reason to bring manufacturing back to the United States. A lot of crypto millionaires are going to need jobs. And Superman has said it best, I think still. Cryptos are vehicles to make money, pure and simple. And right now, they have flat tires and busted engines. Don't force it. Just wait for them to be, road ready, and you're able to, take them to your destination, right? Like you're going to take those, to the moon. Falling knives cut and draw blood. So if you're trying to get in right now, things can keep dipping and dipping and dipping. That's what we've been seeing. Now, what's going to happen next? I think that the lows are close. And the reason why is because I'm still a believer, probably one of the only ones, in the 4-year cycle. And the reason why is because we have seen the 4-year cycle play out every single time. I remember it last time, and it's because of the halving event. So in the post-halving year, which is where we're at right now in 2025, this is typically when we see the peak. Now, did the peak already happen at 109,000? Good question. Nobody knows until the end of this year. But I believe that we still have at least one more big push, and the reason why I believe this is because of the 4-year halving cycle. But it's not just, hopium. Here is the 4-year cycle fractal, and this has it going all the way to $1 million. Now, I don't think we're going anywhere near that high, but I do think that, yes, in the long term, this is the fractal that could potentially play out, and this has it all the way to September 2025. So to me, it'll be interesting to see what does happen, but here's what you need to know right now. The global M2 money supply has a March 25th blast off date. That's literally 2 weeks from the time of this recording. And you can see that the global liquidity has been increasing and has been going parabolic. Now, stocks and crypto are crashing. The timeline is in shambles, fear to the left and to the right, and the top is off, and to top it off, the US economy is legitimately overdue for a recession. So it feels like, and all this, it's been read everywhere, it's been crazy, and I understand that, but, there's a ton of indicators that point in both directions, both bearish and bullish. It can be kind of confusing out there. What to make of it? Well, Colin says that I'm personally hinging my hopes on global M2 money supply for the next couple of months, and it shows a strong uptrend. So you can see it right here. Furthermore, global M2 just put in a new local high, continuing its uptrend further. Will this be right in hindsight? I can't tell you, but global M2 has about an 82% correlation to Bitcoin's moves. See the chart number 2. And you can see if we go over here, right, 83%, 81%, and again, to Bitcoin's directional alignment with the global liquidity over the last 12-month period. Let's hope global money supply is showing us what is to come. We should know in the next few weeks. I'll continue monitoring this closely and sharing its developments. So these next couple of weeks are big. If we don't start to see at least a rebound, and we don't start to see this playing out, you can see that we dipped down here. The supply came back down, and this is what I believe could actually happen next. Why? CoinMarketCap Fear and Greed Index, whenever we're at lows, and we haven't been this low in a very long time. We're talking, 2023 wasn't even that bad. The lows here are showing me that there's a ton of fear in the market today. Also, it's still Bitcoin season. Altcoin season index is at 24. We haven't seen lows like this in a very long time. You're talking May 2023. This is the absolute bear market. So to me, like when things are this low, this is typically when you want to do the opposite of the herd, which is, people are selling like crazy and going crazy, and getting rid of everything. In the long run, right, these have marked excellent buying opportunities. Not financial advice. You do you. So what would I be looking at buying? Well, go pulse.com and Pulse Chain. This ecosystem, now that Richard Hart has won his case, is deep in the red yet again. I believe that these coins are extraordinarily undervalued. Not just because I hold these, but truly because of where they're at. We're talking 4 zeros and a 3, basically a 3x from the sacrifice phase. Hex is at under a penny yet again. And these coins here are very tightly correlated to Ethereum. And that's the big one to keep an eye on. Not only that, but XRP. I think XRP still at $2.09 here could actually roll over. And if this one rolls over, you're looking back into the dollars. But this one's been holding pretty strong so far. But again, looking at Bitcoin right here, right now, let's talk about where we think Bitcoin can go. Bitcoin at 81,000, it went all the way down to 78,000. And again, it made a new low. So could we go back down all the way to 69,000? Could we go back into the 60s? Yes, that's what everyone is saying. But within the next couple of weeks here, we could see a very nice rebound. So to me, yes, it could go lower. And it actually feels like it might go lower right now. And if Bitcoin goes lower, then the rest of the other altcoins are most likely going to go lower exponentially. But if we look at the entire market cap of all the other coins, you have Ethereum here at $1,800. $1,800 for one Ethereum. This was just at $4,000 a couple of months ago. Like it's down 50%. That is absolutely mind-boggling. You have Solana sitting at $122. It was just at $300. You have Cardano at 71 cents. Dogecoin at 15 cents. You have other cryptos like Chainlink at $12. Like Sui at $2. It's absolutely crazy to see Polkadot here at under $4, $3 for Polkadot. Now, these are coins that I believe could easily 5 or 10x in the next couple of months here. I really do genuinely believe that if the bull market resumes. Now, again, there's a lot of macro indicators and things that have to happen in order for that to happen. But right now, these prices are showing me that they're on deep discounts. Now, could they go lower? Yes, they could go lower. Of course. And be like, see, Joe, they went lower. Right. But zoom out a little bit longer than just, what happens today and tomorrow. Think about the many, months down the line, what could happen to some of these coins. And if some of these are going to rebound 100%, what are some of the other altcoins going to do? Well, only time will tell for that. But if you want to learn even more with me about what I'm buying, selling, and trading, click the links down below. Join me in VIP. And remember, Trump is one of us in crypto, and it seems like he's been the one, controlling the entire markets here. But in reality, many people are down a lot right now. And I do think that cryptos are just vehicles to help you make money. And you can make money towards the up and the down. So you can short or you can long. And if you want to trade some of the altcoins that we share here with you on the channel, a free Telegram trading group for you to join, where many of the traders are making profitable trades. And if you want some of the hottest meme coins to trade, Blowfin is also offering you up to $100,000 back in trading fees. Simply click the links down below in the description using our referral code. And if you want to know how I made $200,000 in just 1 week trading crypto and learn my proven system for finding hidden altcoin gems before anyone else, click the links down below and join us in VIP. Many of my students made thousands of dollars in the last bull market. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in our next video.